Yeah, children, same model paper yesterday which we were doing from yesterday we did from 1 to 20 children. So now today we will do 21 to 40 questions, children. Okay, 21st question, children. I am discussing. Please see children question. Open the link and see the question. First 21st question. A is equal to 2 plus root 3. A is equal to 2 plus root 3. Okay, then find the value of A minus 1 by A. A minus 1 by A. A is equal to 2
Sir,
plus
that
root.
is 27.
Oh, today is 27th. Huh? Sorry. 21st we should do. No, sorry. Yeah, 21st we will do, children. I'm sorry. A 0.34, 3 comma 4, 0.3 comma 4 lies on the graph 3y is equal to ax plus 7. Okay, then find the value of A. We will do, children, sum. So this is 3 into 4 is equal to A into
3
plus 7. 12 is equal to 3a plus 7. 5 is equal to
5 is equals to 3a. A is equal to 5 by 3.
A is equal to 5 by 3. Okay, children, next question. There is orbit also, children. In 21st question, orbit is also there. Let's go orbit. Find 4 different solutions of 2x plus y is equal to 6. 4 different solutions. Let's find out, children. 4 different solutions means you can do like this also, children. So y is equal to 6 minus 2x. Okay, 4 different solutions they were asking, children. So let's see, this is x, this is y. If x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. If x is equal to 1, 6 minus 2, how much? 4.
4.
If x is equal to 2, 2 to the 4. 6 minus 4, 2. If x is equal to 3, 3 to the 6, 6 minus 6, 0. If x is equal to 4, 2 4 the 8, 6 minus 8, minus 2. So what are the 4 solutions? 1 comma 4, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 0, 4 comma minus 2 are the 4 solutions, children. How many you want, that many you can make, children. Because they asked 4, I did 4 solutions, children. Next question. See, children, they have given one parallel lines like this, children. They have given one parallel lines like this. This is 110 degrees and this is 130 degrees, children. This is 130 degrees. Question is find QRS. This angle you have to find out, and these both are parallel lines, children. These both are parallel lines. Okay. So if I do like this, children, if this is 130, this is also how much, children? 130.
130.
And if you put linear pair, this will become how much? 70 degrees.
7.
If you put linear pair, this will become how
70.
much? 50 degrees. So 70 plus 50 plus x is equal to 180. 120 plus x is equal to 180. X is equal to 60 degrees. How much, children? 60 degrees. 23rd question, you see. Find the area of trapezium whose parallel sides are. Area of trapezium is asking, children, whose parallel sides are. One is 14 centimeters and another one is 10 centimeters. One is 14 centimeters, other is 10 centimeters, and height is 6 centimeters. What is the area of trapezium? Anyone? Area of trapezium formula? Area of trapezium is half h into a plus b. So half into 6 into 14 plus 10. So 2 3s are, so 3 into 24, 3 4s are 72 centimeters square. 72 centimeters square. 24th question is, the perimeter of an isosceles triangle is 32 centimeters. Children, this is an isosceles triangle, means two sides are equal, one side is different. He is saying the perimeter is 32 centimeters for an isosceles. Ratio of equal sides are in the ratio of 3:2. Ratio of equal sides to its base means x by y is 3:2. Okay. Question is, find the area of this isosceles triangle. Area of this isosceles triangle. So children, how to do this sum? Children, like this sums. So children, this is 3:2 means this is 3x, this is also 3x, this is 2x. Okay, children?
2x.
So 3x plus 2x is equal to 32. 6 plus 8. 8x is equal to 32. X is equal to 4. So 3x means how much, children? 12. Two sides are 12. 2x means how much, children? 2 4s are 8. So the three sides are 12, 12, 8. Now we will find the area using what formula, children? Heron's formula. In Heron's formula, first semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is 32 by 2. How much, children? 16. So what is the formula for Heron's formula, children? 16 into 16 minus 12, 16 minus 12, 16 minus 8. So under root of 16 into 4 into 4 into 8. So for 16 what is the square root? 4. For 4 what is the square root? 2. For 4, 2. And this we can write as 4 to the 8. No, children, for this also 2 and root 2. 4 to the 8, it was 16, 16 to the 32. So answer is 32 root 2 centimeter square is the area of isosceles triangle. Area of isosceles triangle is 32 root 2. Okay, one more question, 25th question. Okay, children, please keep copying, children. Don't sit idle and keep copying. And next question. The diameter of roller is 84 centimeters. There is a roller, children. The diameter of roller is 84 centimeters. Okay, and its length is 120 centimeters. Its length is 120 centimeters. Roller. Okay, if it takes 500 revolutions to complete move once to level the playground, find the area. In 500 revolutions, how much area it will cover? In one rotation, it will cover how much, children? CSA. This is CSA. In one rotation, 1 CSA. One rotation, 1 CSA. 500 rotations, 500 CSA.
500 CSA.
So 500 into 2 pi RH.
RH.
500 into 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 42 into
42.
height is 120. 7 6 are 42. 500 into 2 is how much, children? 1000.
1000.
Okay, 1000 into 6, 6000. So 6000 into 12, 72, 0, 1, 2, 3 into 22. So how much area you will get? That much centimeter square. If you want to convert into meter square, children, 100 into 100 you should do. This gone. So 72 into 22, how much you get? That much meter square area it covers in 500 rotations. In 500 rotations, how much it will cover means you have to do 72 into 22. If you do, you will get some answer. Children, that much meter square of area it has covered. Okay, children. So one rotation, 500 rotation is 500 CSS. 500 into 2 pi, right? 72 into 22 meter square area. Children, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Area it covers in 500 rotations. So children, 25 questions. Okay. 21 to 25 are there. Please copy, children. I will erase it. Please copy, children. Don't waste time. Please keep copying, children. Do it again and again, 2 times, 3 times. Then you will become perfect, children. Next, go to 26th question, children. So in 26th question, the die was rolled 100 times. Children, the die was rolled 100 times, and the number of times 6 appeared was noted. How many times 6 came? It was noted. Okay. If the probability of getting 6 is 2 by 5, okay, then how many times did 6 came up? The probability of getting 6 is 2 by 5. How many times 6 came up? So x by 100 times it has come. Simple, no, children? 5 20s are 22s are 40. 40 times 6 came up. 40 times 6 came up, children. Okay, children? Next question, 27. No, 26th only orbit is there. Please check, children. 26th orbit. Girls, 102 families, 2 girls are there. 675 families, 1 girl is there. 723 families has no girls at all. This is girls ratio in the families, children. Question is, how many? What is the probability of having 2 girls, children? Probability of having 2 girls? 102 by total how much, children? 102 plus 675 plus 723, that is 01018, 1500 families. 102 out of 1500. Please simplify, children. Without simplification you should not do. What is the probability of 1 girl, children? 675 by 1500. This also you should simplify, children. Please simplify. Okay, this is the question, children. Let's go to 27th question, children. 27th question, what they are saying, children? So in 27th question, A is equal to how much they said? A is equal to 2 plus root 3. A is equal to 2 plus root 3. What is the value of A minus 1 by A? This is the question. Okay, children, A is 2 plus root 3. Happy children, absolutely no problem with it. But this is 1 by 2 plus root 3. Let's go for rationalization. If you go rationalization for the denominator, 2 minus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. 2 plus root 3, no problem children. This into this is 2 minus root 3. This is in the form of A plus B into A minus B, which is nothing but A square minus B square. 2 plus root 3 minus 2 minus root 3, because 4 minus 3 is 1 children. Open the brackets. 2 plus root 3 minus 2 plus root 3. That's 2 minus 2 cancel. Root 3 plus root 3. 2 root 3 is the answer. That's it children. 2 root 3 is the answer. Next. Factorize A into A minus 1 minus B into B minus 1. This you have to factorize children. A into A square minus A minus B into B square plus B children. Minus into minus plus. Okay, A square minus B square minus A plus B. Okay children, A square minus B square minus A minus B. I am putting the brackets means minus into minus plus. A square minus B square, we can write it as A plus B into A minus B minus A minus B. A minus B is common. If you take A minus B into A minus B, A plus B minus 1 is the question answer. Hope you are able to understand children. Please keep copying children. 28th orbit is also there children. One orbit is there. 28th. I am going to the orbit. Question is P is equal to 2 minus A. P is equal to 2 minus A. Prove that. Prove that A square plus 6AP plus P square minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay children. Okay children, so P is equal to 2 minus A. We have to prove that A square plus 6AP plus P square minus 8 is equal to 0. So how shall we do this children? 6AP only, no? That is, yeah, 6AP, 1 second. Yeah, P cube children, this is P cube. This is P cube. Minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay children, how shall we do this one children? So, see here, this is in the form of A square only or A cube? A square only. We have to prove this is equal to 0 children. Shall we substitute directly children P value, or shall we do anything else? A square plus 6AB plus P cube minus 8 children. P cube minus 8 means how much you get children? Okay, A square will do like that when children will directly substitute. See, it is not coming, we'll think of other solution. Okay. So A square, I will put A square only, plus 6A, that will become bigger. So what I will do, A I will bring here, P I will bring here. A is equal to 2 minus P. This I will substitute here. 2 minus P whole square plus 6 into 2 minus P into P plus P cube minus 8. We have to find its value. 2 minus P whole square is how much? A square plus P square minus 2AB plus 6P into 2 is 12P. Okay, 6P into 2 is 12P. 6P minus 6P into P, 6P square plus P cube minus 8 children. So how much you are getting? P square minus 6P square is minus 5P square. 12P minus 4P is how much children? Plus 8P plus 4 minus 8 is minus 4 plus P cube. How much is this value? Is it cube only children? Somehow we are missing the lead children. We are missing it. Somewhere some identity we have to use. What is the identity children? some identity we are missing, children. Is it a cube or a square, children? That is only problem. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. What shall we do, children? This is not coming. Somewhere it is missing, because p cube and p square won't go. Somewhere we are missing the bus. Anyone? 2p is equal to 2 minus a. We have to prove that a square plus 6ab plus p cube minus 8 is equal to 0. If you simplify, if you take factor this, a you get a plus 6b plus p cube minus 8 cube, like that also we should have done. Okay, this is should not be a square, it should be a cube. If it is a cube, we can do something. Just let us take this as a cube and we will do, children. If it is a cube plus b cube plus minus 2 whole cube minus, see children, I am writing this in the form of a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. I am writing a cube, this side wrote it as a cube, this side wrote it as b cube, this side wrote it as c cube minus 3 into a into b into c. This is how much? A cube plus b cube plus minus 2 whole cube minus of minus plus 6ab. Okay, so but what he is saying means, children, this is the form of this, no? So whenever this is in the form of a cube, what is the formula for a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc formula, children? A plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So instead of a, so this is there. We got this is there, children. This is there. So this we can write it as a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. This we are writing. But what is the thing means? P is equal to, so children, P is equal to 2 minus a, or P plus a, children, P plus a. If I take this here, P plus a is equal to 2. If I take this here, P plus a is equal to 2. So in this formula, if I put P plus a is equal to 2, 2 minus 2, and this whole thing, this is 0 into everything is 0. Like this we should do. What is the only mistake he did with children? Here he did not give cube. He wrote it as square. That's why we have confused the children. If not, it is very easy sum only. Identity we have used it. Anyone have any doubt in this sum? Or you did not understand at all? Or you are not listening at all? Anyone have any doubt, children? The taxi fare in city is as follows. For the first kilometer, the fare is 25 rupees. For the first kilometer, the taxi fare is 25 rupees. For the first kilometer, the taxi fare is 25 rupees. And for subsequent distance, it is 14 rupees per kilometer. Next, 14 rupees per kilometer subsequent kilometers. Taking the distance, total mode is x kilometers. Taking total distance is x. Total distance is x and total fare is y. Total fare is y. You have to make an equation. I already told this very recently. Total fare is equal to compulsory first kilometer is 25 plus 14 rupees per kilometer.
X.
Is it x or x minus 1?
X minus 1.
X minus 1, because first kilometer is over. So y is equal to 25 plus 14x minus 14. Okay, children. So this also you bring here. This also you bring here, children. You can make it as an equation. So y is equal to, first let me say 14x, 25 minus 14 is plus 11, children. So this is the equation. This is the equation. Because for the first kilometer already we have calculated 25 rupees. Remove that x kilometer, 1 kilometer from the x meters, x kilometers. X is total distance. 1 kilometer is over, that's why x minus 1. If you don't take that small thing, children, you will get wrong answer. So children, 29 questions are over, children. 29 questions. Please keep copying, children. I will go to next question. Okay, children, 30th question. 30th question. So coming to 30th question, children, what they are saying, 3 vertices of rectangle are, children, this is a rectangle, he said. 3 vertices, one is 3 comma 2, the other is minus 4 comma 2, the other is minus 4 comma 5. Okay, plot this on a graph paper and find the coordinates of fourth vertex. Fourth vertex you have to find out. Fourth vertex you have to find out. You have to draw on the graph paper, children, then you will get the answer, children. Anyway, just I am saying, children, because this is also minus 4, this is also minus 4. From minus 4, two things they have got. Minus 4 to, I'll put this is also, okay, minus 4, 5. Otherwise, how much, children? 3 comma 2. So, they both are x-axis are minus 4, minus 4. These both x-axis should be equal, children. 3, 3, compulsory. Okay, and on y-axis from 2 to 5 they are going. So on y-axis, so 3, 2 should come here, children. 3, 2 should come here. So this is going 2 to 5. So this also goes from 2 to 5. Simple logic, children. Actually, in the graph you will get easily. I am showing, children. Both x-axis minus 4 means x-axis equal. This is going 2 to 5. This also should go 2 to 5. So the fourth vertex is 3 comma 5. If you draw on the graph, you will get easily. Or else in 10th class, we will say another method by finding the midpoint of this diagonals. Use the midpoints to other diagonals. In 10th class, we will say you can use that method also. Now for 9th class, you just draw the graph and find it, children. Or else you try to understand this logic what I told. Next, 31st question, children. Prove that the sum of 3 angles of triangle is 180 degrees. Okay, children, this is angle A, this is angle B, this is angle C. Let us suppose. Draw a parallel line, children. If this is B, this is also B. Why, children? Interior alternate angles. If this is C, this is also C. Why, children? Interior alternate angles. A plus B plus C is how much, children? 180.
180.
Why, children? Linear pair.
Linear pair.
If this is linear pair, 180 degrees. So this also 180 degrees. So what? That's all. Proof is over, children. 31 orbit is there. Children, go to orbit, children. 31. So children, they have given a triangle. They have given a triangle A, B, C. Please calculate, children. Okay, this is N and this is M. This is a question, children. So what they are saying, angle B is greater than angle C. Angle B is greater than angle C. If AM is the bisector of ABC. Oh, AM is the bisector of ABC, children. AM is the bisector of ABC means let's draw triangle in different way, children. This is A, this is B, this is C. This is AM, this is AM. AM is angle bisector, children. AM is angle bisector. This total angle will be equal to this total angle. AM is angle bisector of angle A. AM is angle bisector of angle A. No, angle B. Bisector of angle ABC. And A is prove that. Children, required to proof I am writing here. Children, required to proof is angle MAN is equal to half of B minus C. We have to prove. So indirectly he is asking MAN means angle A is equal to half of B minus C. Indirectly he is asking this one. Okay, children. So this is X means this is also X, children. This total angle is equal to X. So A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees, children. A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. So how shall we do, children? How shall we go ahead? A we want. How shall we go ahead, children? So what we'll do, angle B, what we'll write, children? Exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles, children. Children, this is X, this is C. This angle will be equal to X plus C, children. Because this is X, this is C, this is exterior angle. Exterior angle is X plus C. Okay, children. Now, for this triangle, apply angle sum property, children. For this triangle, apply angle sum property. What you will get? So, children, angle A is equal to half of B minus C. We have to show, children. Half of B minus C. How we will get B minus C is different issue. We have to go get it. 2x plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees, children. This is 2x. 2x plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. But we want B minus C. How shall we go ahead for B minus C, children? So this will be this is 90 now, children. This is 90 means 90 plus x plus c plus some k. Imagine this is k, children. Imagine this is k. Plus k is equal to 180 degrees. So only k I want. K is equal to only k I want means this will become here 180 minus 90 is 90 minus x minus c. So children, only k is 90 minus x minus c. Now children, what is angle B? Angle B is equal to this angle. This is 90 degrees. So exterior angle is also not coming, children. How shall we go ahead, children? It's not coming in this also. 2x plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. We will do, children. One is angle sum property for big angle, and what shall we do, children? Anyone have any idea? This is x, this is c, this is x plus c, I told. What shall we do with that? It is of no use.
Sir, AM is bisector of angle ABC, sir, not the angle BA.
No, according to the figure, it won't come,
Okay.
See, AM they gave for angle A only. AM is the angle bisector. AM is the bisector of angle ABC. Angle ABC, how, nana? They gave AM is the bisector of angle ABC. Angle B is here. AM is here. How is it possible? I'm still not able to understand. Angle B is here, but AM is here. How is it angle bisector? That is some question. There is some problem, children. Let's leave it. If ever it is possible, I will check and I will tell you, children, because he is saying here AM is angle bisector of ABC, but B is here. This is coming from A. Somehow there is small problem, children. I will check and I will tell you. Go to next question, children. 32nd question. So the measures of quadrilateral are how much, children? The measures of quadrilateral are x plus 20 degrees, and the other one is what, children? X minus 20 degrees. What is the other one, children? 2x plus 5 degrees. 2x plus 5 degrees. What is the other one, children? 2x minus 5. Total angles in quadrilateral will be 360.
360.
X plus x 2x, 4x, 6x. 6x plus 20 minus 20 plus 5 minus 5 is equal to 360. So x is equal to 60 degrees. X is equal to 60. Question is find the value of x. We got, children. Next in 32nd, one more orbit is there, children. So 32nd orbit, what they are saying is the midpoint of median area of ABC. A, B, C. This is median. Median. This is median. Median means what, children? D is the midpoint, and E is the midpoint of AD. E is the midpoint of AD ABC, and BE is produced to meet AC at F. B is produced to meet AC at F. B is produced to meet AC at F. Show that AF is equal to 1/3 of AC. Show that this AF is there, no children, 1/3 of AC we have to prove, children, 1/3 of AC. So children, so actually midpoint theorem we will use, children, midpoint theorem. So in the first midpoint theorem, children, they have said D is midpoint, children. From here draw one parallel line, children. So let me say K, children. So children, see here, D is midpoint, they only give. D is midpoint, they only give. Okay, and I am drawing parallel, children. DK parallel to EF I am drawing. DK parallel to EF I am drawing. If DK is parallel to EF and D is midpoint, K is also midpoint. By which theorem, children? Converse of midpoint theorem. K is also midpoint. If K is midpoint of what, children? K is midpoint of what? So if D is midpoint, K is midpoint of AC. Okay, children, if D is midpoint, so try to understand. If D is midpoint, K is the midpoint of CF. Try to understand, children. Again, I am saying, in this triangle, you see, children, if you are not able to understand, slowly I will tell. Only see CBF triangle, children. I am telling about CBF triangle only. D is midpoint, so DK is parallel to BF, I wrote, children. DK is parallel to BF, so K is also midpoint. K is also midpoint means K is midpoint of CF. K is midpoint of CF. If K is midpoint of CF, try to understand, CK is equal to FK. CK is equal to FK. Till here we got. Now, okay, children. Next, he said, only take ADK triangle, children. Please take ADK triangle. In ADK triangle, children, E is midpoint. E is midpoint. And EF is parallel to DK. EF is parallel to DK. EF is parallel to DK by construction. First only we constructed like that. So E is midpoint, EF is parallel to DK, so F is also midpoint. F is also midpoint by converse of midpoint theorem. F is midpoint of what, children? F is midpoint of AK. What does it mean? AF is equal to FK. AF is equal to FK. From this, what we came to know that AF and FK and KC are equal. Children, AF is equal to FK, we proved now. FK is equal to CK, already we proved, children. So what is total AC? AC is nothing but AF plus FK plus KC. Okay, so all are equal to each other. So AF, 3AF I will write. This will go AF is equal to 1/3 of AC. Like that we should prove, children. Like that by using midpoint theorem, children. For slowly those who didn't understand, again I am saying, children, first I take this triangle. In this triangle, if this is midpoint, this is also midpoint over. And now I am taking this triangle, children. In this triangle, if this is midpoint, this is also midpoint. If this is midpoint, this and this are equal. If this is midpoint, this and this are equal. So all three are equal by midpoint theorem. Slowly if you do, you will understand, children. Hope you people are copying, children. Please copy. Anyone have any doubt in this sum, children? This sum I will let you know, children, because there is some confusion in this sum. I will tell you. So which sum we were doing, children, previously? Yeah. Now 33rd sum, children. 30. Prove that the parallelogram on the same base and between the same parallels have equal areas. Very nice, sir. So this is the theorem. Prove that parallelograms on the same base. Prove that parallelograms on the same base and between same parallels have equal area. So children, this is A, B, C, D is one parallelogram. A, B, E, D. Given what, children? A, B, C, D. A, B, E, D are parallelograms they give. Apart from parallelograms, what else they give? They lie on same base AB. They lie on same base AB. And apart from that, what they give? AB is parallel to DE. Means between same parallels they said. AB is parallel to DE. AB is parallel to DE. Okay, children? Now, slowly I will say, children, what is area of ABCD, children? Area of Children, what is the area of ABCD, children? ABCD is a parallelogram. Parallelogram means what, children? Parallelograms means what? So, this is area of ABCD. What we can write? Can anyone say this area plus this area? Area of AD. One second. ABEF will write. ABEF. I'm sorry, children. No one is telling also. Very good. No problem. So ABCD is equal to AFD. ABCD is equal to AFD. First one, AFD plus area of ABCF. Children, this area is equal to this plus this side. Now, area of AFD I can write as area of BEC also. Why, sir, means I will tell you. Plus ABCF you don't change, children. Now, area of BEC plus ABCF is what? Area of ABEF. Only confusion what you will get means, why did you write this area equal? Because they are congruent triangles, children. Congruent triangles will have equal areas. They both are congruent. How they are congruent? This side equal to this side because it is a parallelogram. This side equal to this side because it is a parallelogram. Okay. Then this angle equal to this angle because they are corresponding angles, children. Okay. So by yes we will write. Okay. This angle equal to this angle because it's a parallelogram. By yes. Again I'm saying yes. These both are congruent triangles. Congruent triangles will have equal areas. So instead of AFD, if I write BEC, nothing will happen, children. So BEC plus ABCF is area of ABF. So parallelograms lying on same base and between same parallels have equal area. Parallelograms lying on same base and between same parallels have equal area. Okay, children, like this we can do, children. Anyone have any doubt in the sum? You can ask me, children. Because it is out of portion, we never discussed that, children. But since it was there in the question paper, I told you. Children, 33, one more orbit is there. Children, 33 orbit is there. Let's see. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to CD. DC is 30 centimeters. DC is AB is 50 centimeters. If X, E and Y are respectively the midpoints of AD and BC. This is midpoint, this is also midpoint, children. These both are midpoints. Okay, midpoints. Prove that, children, prove that area of DCYX is equal to 7 by 9 times of area of XYBA. Children, are you able to understand anything, children, here? Area of DCYX is equal to 7 by 9 of area of XYBA. We should do, children. Okay, so how to do this? How to do like the sums means, see, children, slowly I will say. What shall we do means, I will draw here. Like this I will draw, children. I will draw like this, children. So slowly you see, children, some E I am writing. You see DAE triangle, children. DAE triangle you see. In DAE triangle, X and okay. This triangle and this triangle are congruent. Am I correct, children? Anyone? Am I correct, children?
Yes, sir.
Because this and this are equal. Because Y is the midpoint. This angle are equal. Why, children? Why this angle and this angle are equal? Vertically opposite angles. And this angle and this angle are equal. Why, children? Alternate angles. So by SAS, these two triangles, by ASA, DCY is congruent to DCY is congruent to EBY. Children, till here anyone have any doubt? These two triangles are congruent. Anyone have any doubt? These two triangles are congruent. No doubt means can I say DC is equal to BE by CPCT?
Yes, sir.
By CPCT, DC is equal to BE. If DC is 30, BE also 30. If DC is 30, BE is also 30. Okay, children. Now let's do. Children. So area of DC by x, we have to prove 7 by 9 times of area of x by BA. So what shall we do, children? Slowly you see, children, in DAE triangle, only DAE is you see, children. In DAE triangle, x and y are midpoints. Y given. X and y are midpoints, children. Okay. Then you may ask, sir, why is the midpoint of CB? No, sir. How can you take the midpoint of C? By CPCT we got these both are equal, no, children. By CPCT we got dy is equal to ye. If dy is equal to y is midpoint of even DCE. So xy are midpoints, children. If xy are midpoints, by midpoint theorem, what can I say, children? Xy is parallel to AE and xy is half of AE. Xy is half of AE. Xy is half of AE means AE is 80, that is 40. So xy is 40. Xy is 40, children. Till now, anyone have any doubt, children?
No, sir.
Okay, children. So children, these all are parallel sides, children. These all are parallel sides. Now let's go for area of DCYX. Area of DCYX is, slowly see, children, area of DCYX half into h into a plus b, 30 plus 40. Now area of XYBA is equal to half into h into 40 plus how much, children? 40 plus 50. Very good. 40 plus 50. Half h cancels, children, because they are congruent triangles. The congruent triangles will have equal height, children. They both are congruent triangles. Congruent triangles will have equal height. So area of DCYX by area of XYBA is equal to 70 by 90. 0, 0 cancel, children. So this goes here. Area of DCYX is equal to 7 by 9 times of area of XYBA. Like this we have to do, children. Anyone have any doubts, children? Did you understand at least one step, children, at least? God knows, children. I told you, really, I don't know whether you are able to understand or not. Or first of all, are you listening or not also? God knows, children. So if you listen, you'll be successful, children. If you don't listen, it's your fate. No one can help for that, children. So 34th question, children. 34th question, last question, children. Remaining questions we'll do tomorrow, section D. There is a circle. At least try to cooperate with me in this question, children. There is a BC, children. There is a BC. And there is a perpendicular, like this, a perpendicular. So this is an x degrees, children. This is x degrees. And now what they are going, and from D also there is one perpendicular, children. From D also one perpendicular is there. And this is going to C like this, children. And this is going to D like this. So this is angle x, this is angle y, and this is angle 30. This is angle 30 degrees. What is the question we have to find? BC, find x, y and xy, that's all. Find x and y. Anyone wants to tell, children? Any center they give, children? O is the center, but O is not given. This fellow is not. Let's take this as O, children. No problem. O is the center of the circle. So children, this is 30. This is 90. So obviously this will be how much, children? 60. 60. Okay. So next, what shall we do, children? Next, so this is 60, this is 30, this is 90, this is also 90, children. So there is a triangle here. This is x, this is 90, this whole angle will be in case if I draw, this is 60, children. This upper one is given as nicely 90. This we got 60. This is given 90. Okay, children, how much is y? join like this. Let's join like this. Children, since this is perpendicular, these both triangles are congruent, this also will be 60 children. Okay, these both are, and this is 60 children. So if I join like this children, if I join like this, if this is total is 120 children, if this total is 120, this total will be how much? 60. But this is a perpendicular, this triangle and this triangle are congruent, so this will be 30 children. If this is 30, this is 30, this is 30 children, this is 90, this is 30, this is 90, this total will be 60 children. But we want only angle y children. Yeah. So children, this is 120, no children, this is 120. If this is 120, this also will be 60 children. This also will be 60. Okay, y means degree measure theorem. If they are sorry, this is total is 120 children. Try to understand. This total is 120. This also 60. If this is 60, if this is 60, okay, and if this is 60, we have got like this children. This only y we want. We don't have this whole angle. Only this one is 30 degrees. This is 30, this is 30 I told. This is 30 means this is 90. In that this 30 is gone with this is also 30. Okay children? And this angle how much anyone? This angle? So children, it should be an equilateral triangle children. Why it should be equilateral triangle means this is 60, this is 60, this is also 60 equilateral triangle. This is equilateral triangle. I want only this angle. If I get this angle children, y plus 60 plus this angle is how much? The small angle is there, no? That angle is anyone children, that angle we want. If we can get that angle, or sum will be over. If this is 60 children, this will be 30 because this total is 90. And in this small triangle, this is 30, this is 30, this is 30. Children, no one is telling, I am only shouting from that time. Angles in the same segment, if you check children, angles in the same segment, there is one angle here, there is one angle here children. I told I want this angle. It's a bit confusing children, leave it. I will see and I will tell you in the evening children. Thank you for joining children, leave the book. Thank you so much.